Lazesoft is a software company that specializes in providing data recovery, disk cloning, and system repair solutions for Windows operating systems. Their products are designed to help users recover lost or deleted data, repair damaged Windows installations, and perform various maintenance tasks. Some of the key features offered by Lazesoft software include 1. Data recovery. Lazesoft offers data recovery tools that can help users recover lost or deleted files, partitions, or even entire hard drives. These tools are especially useful in situations where data loss occurs due to accidental deletion, formatting, or system crashes. 2. Disk cloning and imaging. Lazesoft provides disk cloning and imaging tools that allow users to create exact copies of their hard drives or partitions. This can be useful for tasks such as system migration, system backup, or upgrading to a larger hard drive. 3. System repair and maintenance. Lazesoft software includes tools for repairing and maintaining Windows installations. These tools can help users fix common Windows issues such as boot problems, missing or corrupted system files, and registry errors. 4. Password recovery. Lazesoft offers password recovery tools that can help users recover lost or forgotten passwords for Windows user accounts. These tools can be especially handy if you're locked out of your computer and need to regain access. 5. Ease of use. Lazesoft products are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to users of all skill levels. They typically feature intuitive interfaces and step-by-step wizards to guide users through the recovery or repair process. Overall, Lazesoft software provides a comprehensive set of tools for Windows users to recover lost data, repair damaged installations, and perform various maintenance tasks. Whether you're facing data loss or system issues, Lazesoft products can be a valuable resource for troubleshooting and resolving Windows-related problems.